Hello friends, we are going to start a new series in which we are going to draw every character of A to Z. Tomorrow we are going to upload mermaid ponies. First we will draw an apple because A is for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Let's repeat. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now repeat with me. A-P-P-L-E, apple.
Wow!
Now B is for butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Now let's repeat again. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. It's coloring time. I'm going to use red to color my apple. I am going to use brown for stem and green for leaves. Now let's color butterfly. First I am using yellow color. Now I will use light green color. Now let's paint its wing with purple. Please do subscribe because we need your help.